Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a delicious rye eye steak. First, pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that perfect crust. Next, season it generously on all sides with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Finally, let your steak rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes before it hits the pan. This helps it cook more evenly. Now, let's get that incredible sear. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron, over high heat until it's smoking hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil, to the pan. Carefully place your seasoned rye eye in the hot pan and sear it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You're looking for a beautiful, deep brown crust to develop. After searing, reduce the heat to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, a few cloves of crushed garlic, and some fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the pan and continuously baste the steak with the melted butter mixture for 1 to 2 minutes. Use a meat thermometer to check for doneness. For a perfect medium rare, aim for 130 degrees Fahrenheit before removing it from the heat. The final, crucial step is resting your steak. Transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. Then, slice your rye eye against the grain into half-inch thick pieces. Serve your perfectly cooked steak immediately with your favorite accompaniments and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.